DJI has done it before. Just when people think the smallest premium drone can't get much better, new leaks begin appearing that completely change the conversation. And this time, the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro could become the biggest upgrade the Mini series has ever received. From a redesigned camera system and smarter AI-powered flight features to longer battery life and more reliable obstacle sensing, the rumors are painting a very exciting picture. But which of these upgrades are actually believable, and which ones are simply speculation? In this video, we're separating realistic expectations from hype, so you know exactly what to expect before DJI makes anything official. The Mini series has always been designed for creators who want professional quality, aerial footage without carrying a large drone. In the United States and many other premium markets, the Mini lineup has become extremely popular because it balances portability, image quality, and intelligent flight features. The DJI Mini 5 Pro already pushed the category forward, so the Mini 6 Pro is expected to focus on refining the experience instead of reinventing it. One of the biggest rumors involves a new camera sensor. While there is no official confirmation from DJI, industry watchers believe the Mini 6 Pro could feature an improved 1-inch CMOS sensor or a newly optimized sensor with better dynamic range and low light performance. Either option would allow creators to capture cleaner footage during sunrise, sunset, and nighttime city scenes while preserving more highlight and shadow detail. For YouTubers, travel filmmakers, and real estate creators, this could mean less editing and better-looking footage straight from the camera. Video capabilities are also expected to improve. Many analysts believe DJI will continue offering 4K recording at higher frame rates, while possibly introducing more advanced HDR video modes and improved color profiles. Some reports even suggest enhanced slow-motion recording with better image processing. Although rumors occasionally mention 8K recording, that seems unlikely for a compact drone in this size class because of processing demands, storage limitations, and battery efficiency. A more realistic expectation is significantly improved 4K quality rather than chasing higher resolution numbers. Another area receiving a lot of attention is obstacle sensing. DJI has steadily expanded omnidirectional obstacle avoidance across its premium drones, and the Mini 6 Pro is expected to continue that trend with faster sensors and smarter path planning. Instead of simply stopping before an obstacle, future active track improvements could allow the drone to navigate around trees, poles, and buildings more naturally while keeping the subject centered. For cyclists, hikers, runners, and outdoor content creators, this could result in smoother tracking shots with less manual intervention. Artificial intelligence is expected to play a much bigger role as well. DJI has invested heavily in computational photography and intelligent flight systems, and the Mini 6 Pro may introduce more advanced AI scene recognition. This could automatically optimize camera settings depending on whether you're filming landscapes, beaches, forests, snow, or urban environments. AI-powered subject detection may also become faster and more accurate, making autonomous flight safer and more reliable. Battery performance is another area where expectations are high. While current mini drones already offer impressive endurance, leaks suggest DJI is working on more efficient power management rather than dramatically increasing battery size. If these improvements are real, users could see flight times approaching or even exceeding 50 minutes under ideal conditions. Of course, real-world flight time depends on wind, speed, temperature, and camera settings, so actual performance would likely be lower. Even so, any meaningful improvement would allow creators to capture more footage without carrying multiple spare batteries. The transmission system is also expected to receive an upgrade. DJI's latest communication technologies have consistently delivered longer range and stronger signal stability, and the Mini 6 Pro will likely benefit from the newest version available at launch. For pilots flying in areas with wireless interference, stronger transmission could mean fewer signal drops, lower latency, and a more responsive flying experience. Even though regulations often limit practical flight distance, improved reliability remains valuable for safer operation. Many potential buyers are also hoping for enhanced wind resistance. Lightweight drones naturally face challenges in stronger winds, especially near coastlines or mountainous regions. While physics always sets limits, improvements in stabilization algorithms, motor efficiency, and flight control software could help the Mini 6 Pro maintain smoother footage in moderately windy conditions without increasing its weight significantly. Speaking of weight, one of the most important questions is whether DJI can keep the drone under 249 grams. That number remains critical because it simplifies regulations in several countries and appeals to travelers looking for maximum flexibility. Most industry observers believe DJI understands how important this category is, making it very likely that the Mini 6 Pro will remain within the lightweight classification while still introducing meaningful hardware improvements. There's also growing speculation about the controller. DJI could release an updated smart controller with a brighter display, longer battery life, and a faster processor for smoother live video transmission. Even if the controller design remains similar, software enhancements could improve waypoint planning, automated flight paths, and customizable controls for experienced pilots. Software will probably become one of the biggest selling points. DJI continues expanding intelligent flight modes, and the Mini 6 Pro could introduce even more automated cinematic shots. Imagine selecting your subject, tapping one button, and letting the drone safely create multiple professional camera movements that would normally require an experienced pilot. Features like these make aerial filmmaking much more accessible for beginners while saving time for professionals. Safety improvements are also expected. Enhanced return-to-home accuracy, faster GPS acquisition, and better obstacle awareness during automatic landings could reduce pilot stress. Firmware updates may also improve geofencing, flight planning, and pre-flight safety checks without making the flying experience more complicated. Of course, pricing remains one of the biggest unknowns. Considering DJI's history, the Mini 6 Pro will likely carry a premium over previous generations if it introduces substantial hardware upgrades. However, many buyers may see the added cost as worthwhile if camera quality, intelligent flight features, and battery efficiency all receive meaningful improvements together. It's important to remember that, as of today, DJI has not officially announced the Mini 6 Pro or confirmed these rumored specifications. Many of the details circulating online come from supply chain discussions, industry analysts, and technology insiders. Until DJI reveals the drone, every rumored feature should be viewed as informed speculation rather than confirmed fact. Even with that caution, the overall direction seems clear. Instead of focusing on flashy headline features, the Mini 6 Pro appears to be shaping up as a smarter, safer, and more capable compact drone. Better imaging, stronger AI, improved tracking, longer endurance, and enhanced flight stability could make it one of the most complete lightweight drones ever released. If DJI delivers even most of these realistic upgrades while maintaining the compact design that made the Mini series so popular, the Mini 6 Pro could become the new benchmark for portable aerial photography and videography. We'll continue tracking every credible leak and official announcement as they appear, so stay connected with TapTech for the latest updates on the DJI Mini 6 Pro and the biggest upcoming technology launches before everyone else.